so gonna end up on Facebook.
You know it. You know it.
I get so into that part. I'm like,
I know. Me too.
They're so adorable.
it's like when I dance, it's like my own.
I'm not talking about Wilcox.
Wait, are you guys recording? Can I make my voice?
Then don't talk.
You don't want your voice on it?
Ashley is so cute.
Emily. Jackie said, "Okay, Wilcox, I'm not in Ceramics 1000 yet." So they make the Eiffel Tower. Yeah.
Yeah, it would.
It's really intricate.
They're so cute.
Huh?
I can make it out too.
A cow.
Oh, so Diane?
Boom roasted.
Oh, wait, got the
Way going the wrong way.
Okay, I need to tell it. Say, make tinglers, please.
No. Your mom makes me tingle. Oh!
That's not okay.
Make a chameleon.